Hi, I'm Laura White with Windermere, and I want to share with you a program called Wake Up Money. If you could wake up tomorrow morning and have enough money coming in from your investments, you could decide what you wanted to do. How would that feel? Well, what is Wake Up Money? Having more than enough money coming in each day by simply waking up. Let's start with the outline from this program. Why real estate? Why here? And why now? Why real estate? Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, gives advice to only invest in things you understand. Many of us don't understand the stock market, but we can understand a home. Peter Lynch, possibly the greatest mutual fund manager on Wall Street, was asked, "What is the greatest investment you've ever seen?" His answer, a single-family home. The most powerful investment is a free and clear house. Here's an example of the 4 returns on investment in real estate. Rent or cash flow, principal reduction, appreciation, and depreciation or tax savings. For this Wake Up Money program, we'll only focus on the first 2. Well, here's an example of a real estate investment and the returns. Even if we ignore appreciation, there's still a return here of around 9 to 10%. Isn't that higher than you're seeing in other investments? And why now? Well, according to the equilibrium theory, markets seek balance. This chart illustrates the U.S. appreciation, and the blue line represents the average appreciation, which has been right around 5%. When appreciation rises above the blue line, there's market pressure causing it to come back down. Well, our market today is below average, and there are pressures on it to come back up. This is the time to buy real estate investment property. Even the experts who predicted the crash and warned us earlier are saying now is the time to buy. We are in the turn. And why here? Matthew Gardner, a major housing economist in the area, says Seattle remains the best West Coast location relative to potential growth. The 5 B's draw economy: Boeing, Bytes, biotech, batteries, and benefactors. Barron's magazine released an article called Renter Nation, saying we're entering an era of renters, an increase in the number of rental households. The next 10 to 15 years, there's a generation that could have more renters than homeowners. Well, why is that? Well, Generation Ys are just starting to leave the nest, and there are more of them than there are baby boomers. Young people usually rent before buying. There's also people who've lost their homes and credit, so they'll be renting as well. And it's now tougher to get a mortgage. Because of these factors, the home ownership rate is dropping. Our peak was 69% owner-occupied households, and we've dropped around 5%. That 5% represents around 6 million more renters on the market. This National Association of Realtors slides illustrates the increase in renter households over the years. So in conclusion, our timing is now perfect. We haven't seen this perfect scenario with low prices, low vacancy rates, low interest rates, and rising rents all come together. To hear more on this Wake Up Money program, please contact me. There's nothing to buy. This isn't a speculation program, a fix and flip program. I don't have any tape or CD to buy. I just feel it's the right time, and I want to get the word out so you can take advantage of this opportunity. Thank you.